How does this make any sense to you? Because it doesn't make any sense to me. Look. 1. Big eye. Big eye. Okay. Both. Okay. Great. Now I'm like smiling. So how, okay. Oh, wait a minute. That might be a thing. 2 fingers on the thumb joystick things. I pull my finger in towards the trigger. Nothing. Other trigger. Oh, I pull in my tail fluffs. My tail, and I smile. Okay. Wait a minute. Hold on. Did that? Oh, I forgot. I have these triggers. Oh. Oh, God. What? Is there something in my teeth? Can you see that? Oh, my hand went through my face. That can't be a good thing, right? Oh, God. Wait a minute. You can see my mouth? Okay. There was a way I could stick out my tongue, but I'm not sure. Let's see. So, okay. Let's remember. Right. Yeah, right cheek, left cheek. But if I pull them both in, I grin. Really big teeth. Say, ah. Okay. Now, right trigger finger. Okay, that's weird. Left trigger finger. Oh. I like this. This is kind of happiness. Even though my ears are back. I don't know. Usually cats with their ears back are just... Hold on. My... Huh. Okay, now what about thumb things? Oh! I found my tongue! Whoa! Let's try not to do that again. That was kind of creepy. So, right, left, done, and done. Oh, okay. I'm learning. So, right cheek, left cheek, left cheek. So if I went to wink to somebody, such a slow wink. It looks like I got a twitch. Okay, let's try this again.